I'm Rick Shapiro, a railroad injury lawyer, discussing the topic of railroad worker accidents that occur off railroad property. We have represented a number of workers who have been hurt in this type of circumstance, which occurs because railroad workers travel. That's what they do, particularly transportation workers. And the law is settled that if a railroad worker is doing a job for their employer and is hurt, even at a place where the railroad only calls once in a while, the railroad has a duty to inspect those premises, and if the railroad fails in that duty, it is responsible for the accident that the railroad worker suffers. The U.S. Supreme Court in these cases faced the railroad defense that only the business or industry should be responsible, not the railroad. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that railroads have a non-delegable duty, and that means that the railroad cannot delegate that duty to some third party or other industry, that the railroad must provide the safe place to work and will be responsible for those accidents and injuries that occur when an inspection could have prevented those injuries. In these types of cases, we have a decision to make for our client. We could either sue the railroad usually, or we could sue the railroad and the third party industry or business. That is an individual decision that we make depending upon the circumstances of the case. If you would like to know more or you have a question, please fill out our quick contact form on our main law firm website or call our 800 number. Thank you for listening.